Transition words. Definition of transition words. Transition are linking words or phrases that a writer uses to lead the order from one idea to another. Transition words are important elements in writing paragraph when the writer writes sentences, paragraph, text, or essay. Transition words are helps the reader to know related each sentence, paragraph, or essay. Can be conclude that type of transition word to connect sentences or link one idea to the relationship between parts of the essay. The transition words are conjunctive adverbs to follow the reader easily to understand between one sentence and other to connect idea. The transition word as traffic to tell reader give information without being ambiguous. Types of transition words. Oshima and Hogu provide a few of the most commonly used transition words. You can look at the table. Secondly, Burman states that there are type or function and form of transition words with the function. Thirdly, Louis says that there are type of transition words. And Fournier say both there are some types and function of transition words. There are transition words to show time or sequence, transition words show cause and effect or result, transition word add an idea, transition word compare or show similarity, transition word show contrasting idea, transition word show setting a condition or adding a limitation, and transition word adding emphasis to show the importance of an idea. So, it can be concluded that using transition word have many types of transition words. Each type of them has different. They are type of transition word for to introduce a similar idea, to compare things, to introduce an opposite idea, and to contrast things. To introduce an example, to signal chronological order, to indicate order of importance, to introduce an effect or result, to introduce the cause or reason, addition, comparison, conclusion, reason, result, and sequence. Thank you.